What's going on, everyone? It's Kevin here at VIP Auto Accessories, and today we have some Nightfall Kia replacement emblems that we're going to go over, and these are up on our website right now at VIPAutoAccessories.com if you want to take a look at them. These Blackout Kia emblems were made to fully replace the factory chrome ones. This one is for the Kia Telluride, but we have some for each of the popular Kia models right now. If you don't want to go through the extra steps of fully replacing your emblems, then you can get some of these overlays that we sell too. You can get that same blackout look, but the cool part about these is they also come in a ton of different custom colors. Now, if you're dead set on fully replacing your chrome emblems for a more permanent solution like this one, then it's good to start by boxing off the area around your current emblem with painter's tape. This helps you make sure you put your new emblem in the right spot so it doesn't look all wonky when you're finished. Before you start removing the old emblem, you'll want to use a heat gun or a hair dryer to weaken the adhesive behind it so that it's a lot easier to take off. This tool is going to be the best way to remove an emblem without scratching up your paint. It's super easy to use. You'll just pull it tight like this, and then you'll shimmy it down behind the emblem in a saw-like motion until you get all the way through. After the old chrome emblem is removed, there's usually some gunk under there. For anything that hangs around, you can use Goo Gone or a similar product to get rid of. After that, just gently wash the spot with some soap and water. When the space is dry, you can grab your new emblem and peel off the backing of the new adhesive. Then firmly press it into place on the hood. Once it's on, wait a few moments and then remove the tape around it and you're all set. After you follow all those steps, you should have nice new Blackout Kia emblems, and we hope you enjoy the new look for your car. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, if you could please leave a like for us, we'd really appreciate it. If you want to see more custom automotive content and details about auto accessories, hit that follow button. See you in the next one.